Very warm greetings to all. So today in this lecture we are going to study chapter number 10 of your textbook, that is our festivals. Coming to the overview of the subject. So social studies is a subject where children get interacted with their surroundings. Coming to the topics which we have to cover in this lecture. First of all, we will study what festivals are, then we will study why we celebrate them, and finally we will see some types of festivals. Coming to the first topic, that is what festivals are. So festivals are kind of occasion which we celebrate with our family and friends. On festivals we have fun, get dressed up and make different kinds of tasty food and enjoy with family and friends. Coming to the next topic, so why we celebrate festivals? So different festivals have different meanings and reason to celebrate. We will see it in brief by the types of festivals. So types of festival. So there are three types of festivals we have. First we have religious festivals which have religion related meaning. Then we have national festivals, and then we will study about some other festivals too. Coming to the first one, religious festival, which includes Diwali, Holi, Christmas, Guru Purab and Eid. They are basically the religious festival which have their religion related meaning. Coming to the national festival, it includes Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. It have their national related reason to celebrate it. Now coming to the other festival, which includes Teachers Day and Children's Day. Coming to the religious festival, so first one we have Diwali. It is the festival of lights. People light the diyas and worship goddess Lakshmi this day. Children also enjoy fireworks on Diwali. Then we have Holi. It is the festival of colors. We enjoy with gulals or colors, but we should avoid playing with water balloons. Then we have Christmas. It is celebrated on 25th December on the birth of Jesus Christ. People pray in church, parents gift their children. There is an imaginary character, Santa Claus, and children think he brings gift for them. People enjoy this festival by singing and making plum cakes. Coming to the national festivals, so first we have Independence Day. India celebrates it on 15th August, as this day in 1947 our country got freedom. On this day, people do flag hosting and sing our national song Jan Gan Man. Then we have Republic Day. It is celebrated on 26th January, as on this day in 1950 our constitution was wrote. Then we have Gandhi Jayanti. It is celebrated on 2nd October, as this day Gandhi Ji, the great freedom fighter, was born. Coming to the other festivals, which includes Teachers Day. So it is celebrated on 5th September. As on this day, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was born. This day is dedicated to the teachers. Coming to the Children's Day, this day Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born. He loved children, so he dedicated this day to children. It is celebrated on 14th November. So that was it for the today's chapter. Coming to the moral values, so we should celebrate each and every festival with full of joy. So that was it for today's chapter. What is your homework? Write about festival which you have celebrated till now. I'll meet you soon in the next lecture. Thank you.